As a teacher, taking attendance shouldn't feel like an administrative burden. Let me show you how to do it faster and smarter with Edusign. Imagine I'm a teacher and I need to take attendance without collecting signatures at the beginning of class. I might receive an email reminder 15 minutes before class if my organization has set one up, but first I log in using the credentials I received by email. So here I will use my email address linked to my organization, use my password, and then I will just click on connect. Once logged in, I will find the course I'm about to start. So here, for example, International Strategy. If I click on it, I will be able to sign the attendance sheet and then click on Save. And now I will have the list of all students enrolled in that class. To let them sign the attendance sheet, I click on the QR code tab just right here, and only then can they scan it using the Edusign app on their phones. It's important to note that they cannot use their regular phone camera. They must scan the QR code through the Edusign app. That's very crucial, very important, because if not, it will not work. So once they've scanned it, they just need to confirm their presence. And for me, as a teacher, there's nothing more to do. I can now start or resume my lecture, and if some students still need a moment to scan the code, I can minimize the QR code display and continue teaching without losing a single minute. Let me show you. If I just click on this button, then I will have the QR code very small in the corner, and then I can go on with my teaching, go on with my slides without losing time. So it's very useful, very effective. Now, if I go back to my platform and close the mini QR code, and let's say now I notice a student is marked as present but is actually missing, just for example like this, I can change the status to missing by clicking on the three dots just right here. So if I click on it, I can put missing or I can exclude the student, and then it will reset the attendance. That said, it rarely happens since the QR code changes every 5 seconds, which means students cannot cheat. And I can also allow a student to sign in directly from my device if their phone is not working or has run out of battery, just like this by clicking on the button just here. And that's it. You're all set. If you have more questions or want to explore additional features, check out our Help Center and you'll find plenty of useful resources there. Thanks for watching.